Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what's in my bag. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. And also please go and check out my Instagram because I post lots of pretty pink pictures quite often, so go and follow me on there. So I'm really excited to show you what's in my bag because these are probably my most favourite videos to actually watch on YouTube. Like, I just like to see other people's handbags. I'm obsessed with handbags. I like to see what they keep in them. I'm just really nosy, and I'm pretty sure that what's in my bag video was one of the first videos I ever watched on YouTube, so that is why I'm so excited to show you what is in mine. I got a new bag around my 21st birthday. I spent some of my birthday money and chose this beautiful pink Ted Baker bag. Basically, if I were a bag, this would be me. I just love this bag. I think it's so beautiful and perfect. I'll leave the exact link in the description below. I chose the pink because clearly that's my thing, but I think they also do it in grey. I just think it's the perfect size. It's not too big, but it carries enough that I need on a daily basis, but I can't overfill it and it ends up being really heavy, so it's always very manageable. It's just got these two straps right here and a zip to close it, but to be honest, I don't really close it that often. I just leave it open. It doesn't really bother me. It's got a really cute little bow detail, some rose gold, and it says Ted Baker in rose gold down at the bottom. This is what my bag looks like inside. It's pretty organised. It's got a nice big section at the back, and it also came with a little purse that you can slip inside it. So the first thing that I keep in my bag is my phone. I have an iPhone 6S and it's rose gold. I like it. It's pink and it works fine. And my case just says Amy. I got it on Amazon. I will try and link it down below as well. The next thing in my bag is my diary. I don't carry it with me every day, but I had uni this morning, so I took it to my lecture, and it's gold and glittery and it's so pretty. It's just a really nice organizer. I really like it. And in the back, I just keep a little pink jotter in case I need to take any notes in class. And then in here, I also keep a pen. I always carry a pink pen with me because I like to sign my name in the register in pink, you know, keep up my image. And I like to just write in pink because it makes me happy. And the next thing that's in my bag is my purse, and I have the matching purse to the bag. This is big enough to fit all of my store loyalty cards. I have so many, as you will be able to tell in a minute. But it's just the same rose gold hardware and a little bow. So there's a little pocket in the back, which I will see what's in here. I have a gift card in the back here, and I'm pretty sure that I've spent it all, but I don't want to throw it out because why would they give me it back? Normally they just throw it out if you don't have any money left, but in order to check it, I have to go to a special place in the shopping centre, and I don't know where to, and I don't know where I need to go and get it, so I need to find out about that. Then I have, I've got a £5 voucher for Sports Direct because I just put this in there this morning. I collected an order on my way home from uni, and they make you pay for delivery, but they give you a £5 voucher to make up for it. So if you want to see what I bought at Sports Direct, check out my Instagram. I'll probably post about it later. So this is the inside of my purse. It's just got these little sections and then like a zippy bit in the centre. So in the zip part, I have a grand total of £2.45. Wow. And then in the sides, there's the 4 slots on either side plus space in the back behind here. So in this back section, I keep, like, in both back sections, I think I keep kind of cards that aren't as pretty. So I have Tim Hortons card, the one that you get stamped. I've got a Costa card, a Holland and Barrett card. Why do I shop there? I have another coffee card, I think for my uni coffee shop. I have a perfume shop rewards card, and I have a Devon Beauty Club reward card. I just got this recently. I'm quite excited about this. And then in the sections, I have got a Monson Accessorise card. This is good. I like having this. I have a Superdrug card, one of my favourites. I have my Sephora Insider card. And then the final one on this side is probably my most favourite loyalty card, the B. Swarovski card. It's really beautiful. It's just like a mirror. It's really cool, and you get really good deals when you're a Swarovski club member. So extra. And then on the other side I've just got my Body Shop card, I have a student card, student discount card, my bank cards and my driving license, which I won't show you. So that's it in my purse. Really it's just loyalty cards. What can I say? So the next thing in my bag is, I'll probably show you this bit right here. So it's a purse, it's like a kind of section, like a little purse that you can take out, and as you can see it fits perfectly into this little back section. So it's this little rose gold pouch thing, and it says Ted Baker, and the lid is magnetic. It's really cool. And inside I just have like all of my kind of essentials, you know, the things that you might need, like a hairbrush. I have a hand cream from Kath Kidston. This is Rose and Peony. I have a pink hand sanitizer, which I need to get more of because there's not much left. It's floral and fruity scented though. I've got, oh this is really cool, I've got some paper soap. Basically, like a little sheet of paper, and then you just run this under water and it turns into soap. It's quite cool. It's quite handy if you're in a bathroom and there's no soap, so you always have some. I have a powder, just a little MUA one for on the go in case I need it. I tend not to really need to touch up my makeup, but I just take a powder just in case I'm out for a long day. And then I've also got a little Bare Minerals mini brush to go with that. I have a hair bubble and some clear elastics and some curvy grips. I've got a nail file. And then finally, kind of medically things, I have an assortment of different plasters in different sizes. These are always really handy. I mean, there's always people, even if you don't need a plaster, there's always someone who always needs a plaster. I have some tissues which have pictures of cupcakes on, so I feel like they're too good to use. They're really cute. I also have some tweezers, again, you never know. And then finally I just have some like medicine. I have some Piriton, some Cams and some paracetamol. That's it really. There's two little front sections here. In one of them I keep my glasses. I need these to read, so obviously I was at uni this morning, so I have these. I also have my lip gloss that I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a Victoria's Secret satin lip gloss, and this is in the shade Slice of Heaven. I got a set of these when I was in Vancouver, and I've got them in lots of different colours, and they're really, really good. I really like them. They're just really easy to apply on the go. When you're not wearing much makeup, I think it's quite nice to just apply a little bit of a moisturising gloss, add a bit of shine, sparkle, and it tastes amazing. There's an empty Mentos wrapper, little travel card holder which is from Accessorize, and it says London. It's super cute, and I won't show you what's in here, but it's just got a space for 2 cards, and I have my gym card and my university card because I need to swipe both of them to get into the buildings. So I have that. Then in this, and then in this pocket I have some Lotus biscuits. These are really good. If you haven't tried these, I highly recommend them. You quite often get them on the side of a coffee in certain coffee shops, but I kind of stole these from my work. Some more curvy grips and clear elastics. And the last thing in that little pocket is a little mirror, and it's from Kath Kidston. It's just got pink flowers in the back, which is really cute. And then I tend to try and avoid having things like rolling about in the bottom of my bag. I don't really like that, but I just have my EOS lip balm. So this is a pink one, I think it's a strawberry flavoured one. I prefer to use a pot, like a little pot lip balm when I'm at home, but I feel like it's more hygienic to use like a kind of stick lip balm when you're out. So the last thing that's in my bag today is my keys. I keep my keys on this little wrist strap so that I don't lose them. If I'm not taking my bag, I'll just kind of shove them on like that. And I actually have more key rings than actual keys, so I will go through them. Basically I have my house key, which is a pink butterfly because I'm 21, you know. I have a pink Sharpie because you never know when you might need to sign autographs. I've got little pink Toronto maple leaves that says Amy, which I got in Toronto. I've got this little turtle, which is actually my USB stick, And then I have a little mini registration plate saying Amy 1. Then I have a trolley coin. I don't really use a trolley in the supermarket. I don't really need to. I've only used this a few times, but you never know. And then finally I have my car keys. Sometimes I keep a bag for life in my handbag as well if I'm going to be going shopping, but I always keep one in the glove box in my car as well, just in case. Then that way I'm always organised. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that is in my bag. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and also maybe go and check out my other videos and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the likes and subscribes. It means so much to me, so thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!